What's the meaning of antithetical? Antithetical. 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 Antithetical.
The word antithetical refers to something that is directly opposed or in contrast to something else. It denotes a clear contradiction between two ideas or concepts that are fundamentally different from each other. For example, freedom is antithetical to slavery, and love is antithetical to hate. The term antithetical emphasizes the polarizing nature of the opposing concepts and suggests that they cannot coexist simultaneously. In essence, antithesis highlights the stark differences between two things that may seem similar, but are, in fact, profoundly distinct.